In this video, I'm going to show you how to make Fortnite update faster on PC. The first thing you want to do is you want to try to use a wired connection if possible. That means connecting your PC to the router with an Ethernet cable instead of Wi-Fi for a more stable and faster connection. You can get Ethernet cables for relatively cheap. They only should cost a couple bucks. However, they will require you to actually plug it into the router and then plug the under end of it to your PC. That is something that I recommend that you guys do as well. Now, if you're not able to get an Ethernet cable for whatever reason, that is okay because there's still other things that we could do in order to make the updating process faster. And that is to close any background applications. So please shut down any unnecessary programs, browsers, or downloads that consume bandwidth. So what I recommend that you guys use is I recommend that you guys go ahead and look at the task manager. So go ahead and press on task manager right over here, and then it is going to show you what exactly is using up the most power in your device. So as you're able to tell, currently we have a lot of things going on. At the moment, the network is being overworked for the Epic Games Launcher. That is because we are downloading some stuff. But yeah, as you're able to tell, at the moment, we do have a bunch of other things that are consuming a ton of power that we can go ahead and turn off, like OBS Studio, AVG servers, Google Chrome, all that good stuff. Obviously, I'm using that to record the video right now, but for yourself, you just want to make sure that the only things that are actually consuming the most amount of power is the Epic Games Launcher. So please refrain from watching YouTube videos as the Fortnite is actually updating, because I used to do that a ton, and then it would just take really long for Fortnite to update, or even if you're talking in a Discord call. So try to avoid things like that consume Wi-Fi, because that is actually going to impact the actual download speed of Fortnite. Also, it's a good idea to have some free disk space on your PC. So Fortnite decompresses files during updates, requiring ample disk space. Clear space by uninstalling unused programs or moving large files to an external hard drive. And another pro tip is avoid peak hours. So you want to try to update during off-peak times when fewer players are downloading to reduce server congestion. And the next thing you want to do is you want to make sure that you have the proper settings on the Epic Games Launcher. So what you want to do is you want to go to the top menu, then go to the top right and select on your profile picture just like so. Go ahead and press on settings. Then you want to go ahead and scroll down and you want to select on go to download settings. And over here, you want to make sure that where it says download speed, that is actually turned off, because we need a fast download speed, obviously, in order to download Fortnite faster. So please turn that off as well. Alternatively, you guys could even schedule automatic updates if you want to schedule a Fortnite update during off hours when there's not that many players, trying to update their Fortnite. That is also something that you guys could do. And there really is a lot of great things out there. But in my opinion, the best single way to do it is to get a Ethernet cable. Is just incredibly best. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.